So why is the threshold important? I like to think of it as this beautiful gray area between the landscape and home, the introduction to space as you leave the land and enter the house and vice versa. And it's this interconnectedness that sets the stage for how we experience both areas on a daily basis. So let's use a quick example from a project in Santa Cruz to help demonstrate the power of the threshold. Now originally, the front door was located here on the right, and the windows were adjacent to this on the left. So as you walk up to the home, you have to walk past this bench, through the front windows, past another bench, just to get to the front door. And privacy was also an issue, with the front windows being fully centered on the driveway. So, with the blessing of our structural engineer, we decided on one main course of action. We felt that it was best if we swapped the front door with the front windows and remove the wraparound deck to have a greater emphasis on just the front entry. And this does two things. It turns the front deck into more of a viewing experience now into the rest of the landscape, and gives the podocarpus at the front of the property a great opportunity to screen the house from the street. But more importantly, it makes it very obvious that these two elements, home and land, were thought of with each other in mind and not as two separate concepts.